What is up, you guys? Back at it again with another video. And in today's video I will be restoring these headlights. As you guys could see, they're kind of hazed up, oxidized. It's been about a year, almost gonna be 2 years since I've gotten them like restored, but that's what they look like right now. So right here I have laid out a couple things that I'm going to be using. Obviously tape. I'm going to mask up the area of like what's left, like just like the edges right there. Then so after that's messed up, I ordered an assortment pack. Well, I've already had this, but I'm just showing you guys what I'm going to be using. I ordered these new pads. These ones just came in right now. Then you will be needing a spray bottle just to wet sand. I'm just going to show you guys step by step. I don't have like a tripod or anything to like actually go ahead and do everything, but I'm going to go ahead and mask it up, and then I'll show you guys. What you want to do is just make sure you don't get any paint whatsoever. So there we go, 2500 grit. So yeah, see all this little hazy stuff pretty much. Spray your water, spraying this, and then obviously tearing it off. But now what you want to do is just start sanding in one direction, and then you'll end up breaking down all of this like compound stuff, or oxidation, my bad. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep going, break off all the oxidation, and then I'll show you guys once I'm done doing this step. Alright, so this is what it looks like after the 2500. It is very soft already. It's already looking better. When it's wet, it looks shinier already, but you could see all the scuff marks. But now it's time for 3000 grit. After the 3000, I'm gonna go ahead and do the compound. So I will show you once they are both 3000 grit, or I'll show you guys once I'm about to compound them. Alright, so change of plans. I'm actually just gonna finish this one. I'm gonna go ahead and compound it. Like I said, I'm gonna start to use this thing. I need to check what pad I'm gonna use. I believe it's an orange pad. This is what it looks like pre-compound, and then I will show you guys what it looks like after we use this scratch doctor stuff. Alright guys, so after one pass, this is what it looks like. Sheesh, this thing is freaking, you could kind of see like it's not 100% perfect, but that was the first time. So now I'm gonna use another compound, and then see what it does. But dude, this is so much better. Like, look at this, and then look at this. Such a huge difference. Like, you can already see it already feels super soft. This is up next. This is gonna be the second compound, and then after that comes a polish. But let me get started on this, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. One thing I wanted to say is since these are new pads, kind of prime them and just work the compound into the pads so you don't like run any risk of burning the plastic. But that was just like 3 dots. Obviously it needs more. Ooh. But yeah, I mean, just this is a lot. Fog. Once again, there are many ways of doing this, so if you're watching this video and you're like telling me I'm doing something wrong, this is what I'm doing, so don't trip. But yeah, after it's all worked in, just 3 small dots, rub it in before, and then start drilling away. And I'm using a drill. I do have a dual action polisher, but it's kind of big, so I like these 3-inch pads opposed to the big old 6-inch that's been huge. But yeah, 3 dots, get started. I'll show you guys once I'm done. All right, so this is McGuire's Ultimate Compound. This is what my headlight looks like. it looks so much, like, so better. It's so shiny. I'm like really impressed on how this is coming out. All that's left to do right now is pretty much, dang, you could see everything now. I'm gonna be using this. I've always used this, I really like it, so this will be the final step. I'm gonna change the pad that it is, but yeah, I will show you guys now. For real, I'm just gonna show you guys once I'm done, but yeah, this is kind of what it looks like. This is what I used for this final step right here. I know I said I was going to show you guys both like once they were done, but I'm just going to wait. But overall, really good finish on this. Oh my, it's so nice. This is so nice the way it came out, like, bruh. So yeah, now let's do this side and you guys will see it done. So we're all done here. This is the final product. This side looks way better than this side for some reason. I did all the same things, but this one just didn't buff out the same. But overall, these look freaking amazing. You can kind of see they're starting to like crack from inside, but I'm not really worried. In the near future, obviously I'm going to be getting some headlights. But yeah, overall, if your headlights are oxidized or something, definitely give them a shot. Try to restore them. This looks way better than what it did before. But yeah, I mean, I already put away everything that I used. But overall, thank you guys for watching. And I hope this helps someone out there. If you guys have any questions, just go ahead and put them in the comments, and we'll try to respond to them. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.